Now, if you ever stood in Greek tourist shop, souvenir shop, even airport, and looked at those beautiful boxes of traditional Greek pastries like baklava and thought, yeah, I'm going to grab one of those for myself. And I tell you what, why not? I'm going to grab a few more as gifts for back home. Don't. We're telling you, don't. Seriously, just walk away.
What we're talking about is these awful mass-produced pastries you see in boxes like this in every tourist shop, mini market, even in the airports all over Greece. Have you ever bought these? In our opinion, they're an absolute rip-off. And for starters, you look at the name on the box and the picture. And what's wrong with this, Ian?
Well, Joan, glad you asked. Exactly. Text right there says Kataifi. It's okay. You can also say Kataifi, but the picture, those two things there, that's baklava. Real Kataifi looks like a shredded bird's nest. And we're going to be diving into this, I think, a little bit later. You see, seriously, the factories making these don't really care what's in the box, as long as they sell them, because the packaging catches your eye.
Yeah, and it gets worse. So on the front, this says traditional sweets with pistachio and honey. However, when you look at the ingredients on the back, these two premium ingredients only make up 3% each. So that means the 94% is an awful concoction of glucose syrup, preservatives, and all sorts of sickly oils.
Oh, I know, it's awful, isn't it? And the pastry says on the back, puff pastry, shredded pastry. What the heck is that? Because let us tell you right now, real, authentic Greek baklava and pastries, and we've tasted our fair share in our time, is never made with puff pastry. Genuine ones aren't. It should be three simple things. Should be crisp filo, isn't it? Yeah. And real butter, and of course, delicious pure Greek honey. And if you're finding all of this useful so far, please give the video a like. We really appreciate it. Really helps our channel out. And of course, you can always subscribe and hit that notification bell.
So let's see what's in the box. Now I have to say, there's a lot of empty space. This box is still sealed. It's very, very light. It also can't make up its mind whether we're going to get 4 pieces or 5. On the back it says 4 at 35 grams or 5 at 1.2 ounces. So let's take a look. There you go.
Oh dear. Yeah. Just, well, got to be nice. We sort of expected this. Usual 4 pieces, rattling around in a plastic tray. And there's your gap there. And let's get one of these open. And I can already tell that it's already in its own little plastic tray, which, so, yeah, that is so greasy. Oh, look. It looks really sad and lonely, doesn't it?
It does look awful.
Seriously, though, the cost of these varies a lot. But needless to say, you're looking at, what, 5, 6, 8, and even 10 euros, isn't it?
We saw them €15 in Rhodes Airport.
Oh, yeah. Just like this one, I suppose. Now, okay, here comes the dangerous bit here. Never mind, jackass. We're living it to the edge here. This is so greasy. We hate the taste and texture of these, but as Jan said, if you've ever bought them before and found the same, that's great. We'd love to know. But for the sake of everyone out there, shall we give it a go?
Oh no, you first. You go first, though.
Okay. Let's get it out here. Oh, it's so greasy. Yeah. Oh,
yeah. Look. Yeah.
Some paper towels here. Oh gosh, no.
How's that?
No. Nothing at all like the real thing. Oh yeah, it's coming back now. Talking the real thing, we're going to be tasting that. What you saw, that real Kataifi of that in a few minutes. But yeah, excuse me for talking my mouth full. It's awful, isn't it? It's dense. It's soggy. Yeah, and do you remember? Oh, it's got that waxy coat, hasn't it? Again, all that palm oil that's hitting. Is it hitting the roof of your mouth? Yeah.
Yeah, it's awful. It's a really sickly, sweet taste coat in the roof of my mouth. I didn't like them then. I don't like them now. No,
it's absolutely awful.
Okay.
Let's take a look at some proper authentic Greek pastry. Yeah.
Now, just in typical Blue Peter fashion, here's one we made earlier. But no, just joking. We definitely didn't make this. I bought this from a proper Greek bakery. So we're going to look at the difference. And now, I have to say, I know we've ate half of that, but my goodness me. Look at the height, and it is proper.
It's trying.
It's proper bird's nest, glistening with honey, and you can smell the fresh butter and cinnamon in that as well.
You can, yeah. When you're wafting it, I can smell that.
Here we go.
Okay.
I'll cut it from there.
So trying to get the crunch in there.
Oh, it's definitely crunchy.
Oh, look at all those nuts. Oh, goodness me. Yeah, this is proper Kataifi. It is, isn't it? Let me... Okay. Do you want to have a go, or do you want me to go first? Or should we both just dive in?
We'll both just dive in, shall we?
Okay, here we go.
Oh, that's not sickly at all. That's lovely.
Oh. Sorry about this, folks. Yeah.
That is real Kataifi.
Yeah, this is how it should be eaten in Greece. You'll see locals always do this. It's, again, apologies speaking with my mouth full. It's crisp, it's flaky. That's the bird's nest that we see on there, and all coated with honey. I can smell the quality of the ingredients. So, I said it's rich, it's buttery, and instead of all that horrible, cheap, waxy taste and what have you, you get the. I'm going to say, you get it tastes of Greece.
Yeah, it does taste. It does.
It does.
You see, people buy these boxes and take them home as something special. But the reality is, they're not made locally, and they're certainly not made by hand, are they?
No, they're definitely not. They're made in massive factories, handful of them, and they're shipped. You know, the boxes here, they're shipped by the thousands to every single island and mainland, and there's absolutely nothing whatsoever local about them. So I guess the thing is, what should you do instead? You know, what we do is either the day before we're coming back or the very last day. Excuse me, I've still got bits of this. Before you head back home, bypass completely all the souvenir shops, find a local bakery, go and buy a real selection of Greek authentic honey-soaked pastries, even better than these, all sorts of things on there. Fill a box in it. They'll help you out and do it all for you, really, won't
absolutely.
they? Yeah,
we've never had a problem with bakeries providing boxes for fly-in. They're very good at that. And just be supporting real local businesses. And your friends and family back home will enjoy eating it, and you won't feel ripped off.
Exactly. I really want to dive into this here. Okay, we've had a bit of a moan today, I suppose, but it's for you. We just want you to know exactly what you're buying so you can make up your own mind. And as we've said, have you tried these before? Maybe you love them. But anyway, thanks so much for watching to the end. We really do appreciate it.
Yeah, I think we need a cup of coffee to go with this, and we're going to finish it off. But as always, we'll see you in the next one.
Okay. Should we get started then? Right, brilliant.